Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your username to your Chase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your username in Chase anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you have to give access to your Chase account to your accountant or CPA, and maybe the username is really cheesy or unprofessional. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Chase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your Chase username, you're going to click on this little person icon here on the top. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Profile and Setting. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on Sign In and Security. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to choose this one, Username. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your current username for your Chase account right here, and you can go ahead and click here and choose a new username. So they do let you know it needs to be 8 and 32 characters, at least one letter and one number, and no special characters. Once you've entered in your new username, go ahead and click on Save here at the bottom. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change or update your Chase banking username, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.